Good afternoon, everyone. I have something to show you that is behind this black piece of wood. Um, what happened was, remember when I was telling you about the Jennifers on the other side? It was struggling so badly because of the sun, and no matter what I did, it was getting too much heat. It was, I was covering it with a cloth cover, but I decided since I needed to redo this area of the walkway anyway, so I started over here where the sedums was just overrun and very leggy. So I decided to cut all of that out. And then since it's getting some sun here, but not as much of the afternoon sun. It does get like morning to noon. It's about noon right now, and it does get some sun, but not a whole lot of sun. So what I did was, and I'll show you right now, is I moved the Jennifer that I had on that other side to here. And I'm just going to kind of move this out of the way here so you can see. Alright, so now she's here. And I'm telling you, this was like this is really crunchy right now. But yesterday it was, these other parts are just really, really limp. But now they're starting to perk back up. So I'm pretty happy about that. So I just like spread them out here, and then I added these lime golds over here. And some of these super burros tail, and some jelly beans to add color. And I'm starting right here, and I would just be so happy if this Jennifer just like takes off and goes everywhere. But yeah, it was struggling under the sun on the other side, and that part of the garden was getting way too much. But yeah, like I said, it's starting to perk back up. I made sure that there's moisture in the soil, and also I added some red wigglers in there so that they can enhance the soil underneath. And I added some worm castings too. So we'll see what the progress is. I will do some updates for you as soon as I see some progress in it. My poor Jennifer, oh my goodness, look, it almost died on me, but it's not dead yet. I mean, they're just very forgiving, these plants, and it's amazing because it's very rare, and it's just, it wants to live so badly. So just giving it a little bit of TLC, like this part right here is just almost back to life already. Just giving it a little bit of TLC. Yeah, it's now gonna come back to beautiful again. So I'm putting this black piece of wood just to cover it up for a couple of days, because I kind of shocked it a little bit, digging it up. It's not supposed to be dug up in the summertime because they're supposed to be dormant, but I don't know, sometimes you think it's dormant, but it's really not. So I mean, if it was dormant, it wouldn't be perked up right now, right? So really it really depends on the plant, if it's going to decide to be dormant in the summer or not. But hopefully by this fall's coming up soon, and hopefully it revives itself, and then after it revives itself, it'll be kind of weathered. It'll be hardened, so maybe next year wouldn't be so sensitive to the heat and the sun, right? We'll see. It's just a matter of just just watching it and observing it to see how it's going to act. So I just wanted to give a little bit of update on this. See, like this, I will probably just cut that and replant it, because it'll probably have a better chance to live if I did that. So just cutting it right here, just slicing it right there, and then replanting it. Yeah, this is sad, you know, and I knew better. I should have not have put it there, but I mean, during the winter time when I moved it, it was really, really healthy, and you know, I thought that it would like it there. Again, it's a trial and error type thing. Apparently I erred. So you guys let me know what you think. If you have any suggestions for me, be nice to get some input. If you know anything about Crested, see, here's another one, but it does have like little roots right there already. So I am not going to worry too much about it. Just remove all the stuff right here. This is kind of, you know, I might even trim every single one of them and replant. Just replant it, rebury it, and then leave this here, because you never know, something might just start to spring out of that. But yeah, it's a little bit sad right now. But look at all the roots down there. So I'm not really worried, not too worried about it. Just, you know, we'll see. We'll fix her. We'll fix you, baby. We'll fix you. So let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions or tips. You know, two heads are better than one. Look at this. It already separated, but it's still alive. So not too worried. I think I might see some roots. Yep, there's tiny roots there. Yep. And the saving grace of this is that I have another plant out there under the shade. So, you know, if it ever just say goodbye to me, I still have those plants in the back. So it's just sad, you know, because it could have been progressively propagating, but sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. That's just life, right? Okay guys, I'll talk to you later. I'll see you later. Again, like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye. XO.